Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from Punjab and Sindh Bank for engineers, fresher. Now, when you will go to the official website of Punjab Sindh Bank, here you can see advertisement for the lateral recruitment of specialist officer in JMGS1, MMGS1, and it's mentioned here. When we will click here, we can see the detailed advertisement. Let's talk about. First of all, they will recruit on the basis of GET scorecard, okay, for the freshers. If you are having experience in the banking sector, okay, minimum 1 or 2 year experience here they required, then there is no GET scorecard. Let's check it out. So first of all, they are inviting. Okay, the last date of online application, it's already it started from the 31st August. Online application form filling. Last date will be 15th September. Okay, now let's see detail of the post. So the first one is Officer Information Technology JMGS1. I am talking about this one, which is for the fresher. Total number of vacancies are at 29 here. Other than this, also you are having that Officer Software Developer, okay, JMGS1, for which you require the minimum experience. Cyber security is also there, and information technology is also there. Manager, okay, this is for the junior manager. This is for the manager only, and digital IT is also there. Software developer is also there. I will check it out here. So we can see overall the total number of vacancies they mention as in 213. Okay, for including if you are having experience or fresher both, but the only for fresher we are having one vacancy which I show you, the first one. This is only for the freshers. Okay, Officer Information Technology JMGS1 scale. Yes, so when we will go to here, the eligibility criteria is mentioned. National citizenship should be there. Age limit for the JMGS I'm talking about here. So for the JMGS, maximum 32 years, minimum 20 years. This is mentioned here. Relaxation in upper age limit is also mentioned according to the rules of Government of India. You can check it out, this one. Okay. Now, what is the educational and professional qualification or cutoff date for educational qualification? So, first of all, for the Officer Information Technology, student should have engineering graduate in computer science, IT, or EC. Okay, and candidate must be GATE 24 qualified. Candidates from any one of the above are related discipline. Here in this case, they don't want any experience. Okay, post basic qualification work experience is nil here. Other than this, when I'm talking about software developer, so here also engineering graduate in computer science, IT, EC can applicable, but here they required minimum 1 year of post basic qualification work experience in software development. Okay, this is clearly mentioned. And the next is cyber security officer. Cyber security is there, but in this case also they required minimum 1 year of post basic qualification experience. Okay, so in this case also CS EC, like EC students are eligible here. And then you can see the information technology is also there, but as I am going to cover only and only for the fresher, if you think you are having experience, you can check it out the details also. And according to this one here, for the cyber security, BB Tech in computer science, information technology, electronics and communication, electronics and electrical are eligible here, but in this case minimum 3 year of post basic qualification is required. Okay guys, web developer is also there. Manager, web developer, in this case minimum 2 year of the post basic qualification required. So for fresher only one vacancy is there for the officer. Okay, first one, and the remaining you can check. If you think you are eligible in this case, or if you are having work experience, then you can apply for this one also. Now let's talk about how to apply. Okay, this they may have lots of the vacancies, and yeah, so all the education qualification is required here. Minimum marks is 60%, not less than 60. Okay, IT specialist in JMGS1 and MMGS2 candidate applying for the mentioned post are required to provide GATE. Okay, GATE score as eligibility criteria, and selection process shall include shortlisting as per GATE scorecard and personal interview only. So if you will apply for the first post JMGC1, Okay, JMGS1. So in this one, there is no requirement of written test. Only on the basis of GET scorecard and personal interview, you will be selected. Okay, so this was the officer information technology, 29 vacancies, and manager information technology, 41 vacancies. But in this one, you should have the work experience. Okay. Now, so other than this, reservation is mentioned. You can see the details of the reservation also, how to apply. This is mentioned here. This is a very long PDF of 35 pages. You can see lots of the details are mentioned here. And I'm talking about how to apply. Scale of pay. Yeah, scale of pay for the officer JMGS1 rupees 48,482. This is the pay scale. Okay, and which will be around 12 lakh. Okay, when you will include here, which will be around 12 like all CTC when you will include here. Okay, and for manager also this is mentioned. Probation period will be there, bond will be there. Okay, and other than this, selection process for others. For others, the SMGS and these post written test, shortlisting, personal interview will be there. Okay, and they mention even they mention about the exam pattern also for the written test, that it will have English language, general awareness, professional knowledge, total 100 question, 100 marks or 105 minutes you will have in this one. If you will apply for the other post also where the reservation is required, where the experience is required, dear students. Okay, so I think this is, and they mention about the exam centers also, and then they attach the form also. I think how to apply it is mentioned here, and after that uh, they mention the form also. Acha, one maybe they mention about here how to. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, document verification also they mention, and yeah, application fees. I was talking about this one. Category application fees here for SC, ST, PWD 100 plus applicable charges plus payment gateway charges. If you are from the general EWS and OBC, then 850 rupees plus applicable charges plus payment gateway charges. This is the thing, and then you can check it out how to apply. You can go to this official website and you can just fill the form before 15th September. If you think this vacancy is good for you, please check it out each and every detail before filling the form, and then you can just fill the form. Stay connected to IMS GATE Academy YouTube channel.